I don't understand what you say. Okay. Okay. Listen to me. You made me crazy. You made me crazy. Hey, only one.
No, that's Noela. Yeah, Noela.
Yeah, I know que es Noela. Okay,
Maybe she has something to say.
Listen to me, carajo. Okay,
no,
we are doing.
Carajo tú?
You made me crazy.
No, you make me crazy.
Well, okay. So we try to collaborate, okay? Because remember, we are in the same team, in the same direction. We're working in the same direction, no opposite direction. You make a noise, I lost. But I forgot recorded the video. Okay, listen. I solving in the worksheet A, number 1 by hand and one piece of paper. And you ask me, Professor, doing Desmos. No, Alex, Desmos. Remember, Desmos is a graphic calculator. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Desmos. Do you see Desmos now or no? Do you see or no?
No.
Answer. No.
Yes.
Yes.
What decimal?
No, yes, no.
What decimal? Where's the decimal?
Desmos is the graphic calculator online. No, Alex. Ingrid, focusing.
It's decimal.
I am focused.
Desmos is
I am focused.
Okay. Desmos is the graphic calculator that we have online. Okay? Do you see or no? That's my question. Desmos. D-E-S-M-O-S.
If you want me to say yes, I'll say yes, I see it. But what I see is 0, 2, 4, 6.
We have nothing.
8.
We have nothing. We have nothing. I try. I open the keyboard. Yeah, I type in the inequality. The inequality is y less than or equal to x plus 3. Bam. Yeah, I have the solution here. Look at that. What is the solution? The solution is the red color region. And sorry. And you see the boundary.
What's the solution?
The solution is the red color region. Super.
Yes, but there's 2 dots. There's 2 gray dots.
And you can see the boundary. So we have a line. Look, let me show you a line. Line is equal.
See those 2 gray dots?
What do you say?
Oh. See those 2 gray dots?
Okay.
Point at it. Oh, God.
I am lost. Totally lost. I don't understand you. Okay, the symbol is less than or equal. No, less than or equal to. Okay, and that's it. End the story. I did that in one shot. And that's more fantastic. You put inequality, and you see that the solution is the region que es and the color que you select, que es red in this case. But I can change the color blue, whatever, green. What do you prefer? What? That's it. Do you understand or no? Do you understand or no? I need to know.
Are you talking to me?
No, to you, que was the student que asked me directly, no?
Yes, I do.
You follow me, right? Okay. Let me try to switch into. Do you see the whiteboard now or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes. Okay, good. Let's move on to the question 2. Question 2 is.
Sorry, Professor. Before we move, can I take a picture on Desmos, please?
Absolutely. Let's doing something better, Nuela. I can, when the class is over, I can send to you the Desmos link, and you can see my work. It's better that you can edit. There's no, when I send the link, you open your own account. You understand what I say?
Yes, thank you, Professor.
Well, what do you consider better? Because, for example, listen to me. You may erase. Look. Okay. Switching to this. Look, Noela. Let's do something more smart. Do you see Desmos?
Yes, Professor.
So I create a folder here. I want to call question one. Question one. I included this inequality here inside, right? Now I create another line. I create another folder with the question two. Entonces when the class is over, Nuela, I send the link not for you, for everyone, and you can open this work we are doing together, and this is for you. You can open in your account and you can manipulate in the way you want. Okay? Do you like that? Do you like this idea? It's better. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, Nuela. Okay, now let's move on to the whiteboard again. Whiteboard. I am copying the second example. The second example is y plus 2x greater than 5. Let's do it by hand. Hand. In the jungle. We have the jungle. No internet, no computer, no nothing. By hand. And after we go to the demo and we solve them. Correct? Okay. This is my rectangular coordinate system, elementary. Okay. The only thing you should do is always solve for y. Y is greater than minus 2x plus 5. You convert to equation now. You convert to equation now. And you will discover that the line BFI 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You plot that point 0,5. And the slope is negative 2. Slope is negative 2. Over 1, wrong and right, exactly the same thing we are doing before. Wrong is 1, right is negative 2, and negative 2 is down 2 units. So say CF5 minus 2 is 3. 1, 2 is right, and 1 to the right. Just wrong. And we get this point. Okay, the point, by the way, 1,3, no? 1,3. And now we're connecting, but we're connecting by dotted line. Why dotted line? Because no equal. Okay, greater than or less than, no equal is dotted. Greater than or equal, or less than or equal, solid. So it's easy to remember. Equal, solid. No equal, dotted. And now it's greater than, since greater than, you shade above the line. This is my solution. Let me try to do much better. It's from the line, you move it up, above the line. Okay. Now it's clear? Now it's clear? Let's do it in Desmos. See, everything is clear? Clear. Help me, Noela. Clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Clear. Ingrid, clear?
Yes.
To confirmation, everything is okay. Yeah, I want to pass because I need to graduate. No? I open Desmos. When you open Desmos, let me switch into Desmos. Okay. This is my Desmos. Switching. But the question two is, I copy exactly the same, not necessarily isolate the Y. No. I copy the original. Y, look at that. Open the keyboard, a specific keyboard for Desmos, fantastic. Y plus 2x greater than Y. Whoa, I copied wrong.
Yeah, that's right.
I copied 2x. Don't worry. There you go. Do you think it's above the line and this is dotted line? And so I select the green color, I don't know why. What color you prefer?
Yeah. And then when you move the cursor, there are two little gray dots. Move the cursor by the 0.
Look at this point, Fi. This point is 0,5. Que was, remember, the y intersect.
0,5.
0,5. Let me try. Look. Okay, to understand much better. You open a point, 0,5, 0,5. I plot the first point. I put the label if you want. Look at that label, 0,5.
Yeah, but it was gray already. It was there.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, remember another point was 1,3. Do you remember comma, separated by comma? If you want, or another line, either way, 1,3. 1, comma, 3. Boom. Do you see that both points are on the line? So this is the point that we are using in Alex to do the line.
Okay.
And you select that this line is dotted line. And you shape the region above the line. And
but in Alex, when you put the answer, you put the answer as 0, comma.
No. The answer. Okay, listen to me. The point 0,5 and 1,3 is auxiliary point que help me to understand the solution. But the solution, Ale, understand que is only the green region. Actually, the answer is a green region. Is the answer. So the answer for that problem is a region that you need to investigate what part you share. Shape, not share, shape. Okay? The answer is a region. The answer for this kind of problem is a region. Okay, let me try to create another folder for the question 3. Question 3. Create a new folder. But let's do it by hand. Because remember, we have 2 tests. One test on paper. By the way, for example, if you want and the test on paper, you go here, you put share graph, and you select export image, and you, good morning, Jesus, and you download this picture. Nuela, do you see the picture that I sent to you for the problem you asked me yesterday? I created this one. Do you see, right?
Right.
Very, very good. Okay, let me come back to the whiteboard. Whiteboard. Do you see the whiteboard now?
Yes.
Let's do number 3.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
When we have the test on paper, all the graphs we don't need to do by hand. We can just put on Desmos and send to you, right?
Yes. The answer is yes. Okay, I allow you doing that way. Remember, we are living in the United States of America, 21st century. Therefore, we are using technology. Okay, suppose number 3 problem is something like that. Wow, it's weird, right? It's weird because y is missing. You say y is missing something weird. Well, we are not special happen. Okay, I solve for x because we have no y. 2x is greater than or equal minus 2 plus 10. 2x is greater than or equal 8. We combine, divide by 2. X is greater than or equal 4. Okay, and you temporary, you convert to equation because the equation give me a line, and the line can split the plane into semi-plane. And I realize that this line is vertical line. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4. It's a vertical line. Like that. This line, the equation of this line is x equal 4. But in this case, we have no above and below. No, we have right or left. It's obviously right because it's greater than 4. And the number greater than 4 is 5, 6, 7, no? Entonces, the solution for this inequality is?
It's because it's positive.
Exact. Positive and no positive. No, it's greater than 4. What is the number? What is the number greater than? 4.
Right, and it points to the right.
Exactly, to the right. So, not always is below. Okay, not always. When you see the majority of the case, this is above the line, and this is below the line. But there are some particular case when there's a vertical line like that, okay, greater than is right, and less than is left. Makes sense, right?
Right.
To make sure that we are doing well, because we are the best in Miami-Dade College, I go to Desmos. I go to Desmos. Okay. Okay. Do you see Desmos?
No.
No.
What do you mean, do we see decimals?
Desmos. Do you see Desmos?
A graph. I see a graph.
No, the Desmos is the name of the program, the software.
Oh, that's what he means. Okay.
Do you see here in the header? Desmos is the name.
It sounds like decimal, but this is Desmos.
And this account, and this is the name of the professor. Look, Jorge, professor. This is Desmos software, and this is the name of the folder. Okay, I want to call review. Review. No, capital, carajo.
That's why we were fighting before, because I thought you were saying decimals. And I told you, I don't see any decimals. So you meant desmos.
Desmos.
Thank you.
It's a pronunciation problem.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, my pronunciation is horrible. I know. Okay. Now, I copy the original without simplification. Look at that. 2x minus 10 greater than or equal negative 2. Boom. Final answer. Red color. What color you prefer? I prefer orange color. Look at that. Orange color. You click in the icon and hold the mouse, and you see this, and you change the color you want. Okay.
Is that number 3?
This is number 3, no? Okay, I did my hand in the whiteboard, no? Yeah, I did. And that's
yes.
Look at that. That's 4. Look at that. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So each division is 0.5. 0.5. 1 here. Let me make a zoom. Much better.
So,
1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead.
Okay, what I meant before is, what if the answer, right, instead of being 4.0, it's 4.35?
Let me explain one more time.
Because
listen to me.
Oh God.
Okay, the answer, listen to me. You don't listen. Your problem is that you don't listen. The answer of this problem is graphically. The answer of this problem is the region that you shape. No numerical. No, the answer is no 2, 3, 4, 5. No. The answer is one semiplane or one region, not necessarily semiplane, one region that you shape. Okay? And the plane. The answer of the problem we're doing in the worksheet number 8 is graphically. The answer is graphical. Do you understand this idea or no?
Yes.
Okay. You finish when you shape. Done. No, the answer no is y equal 3, 4, 5. No. The answer is graphically. The solution is graphical, and the answer.
Remember, we're going to go over the class on the questions that I sent.
Okay.
Okay,
let's move on to number 4. Question 4. I open in Desmo just in case. But no. I want to do by hand first. Okay, by hand first. Number 4. By hand. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is negative 3y plus 1 greater than 10. Oof. You see something is weird because x is missing. Ah, well, when the x is missing, it's horizontal line, I suppose, no? But it's okay, okay. I don't know. I have no idea. I solve for y. Minus 3y greater than 10 minus 1. Minus 3y greater than 9. Divided by negative 3 because I need to isolate y, positive y, not negative y. Divided by negative 3, both sides is y. And this is negative 3 because 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. And you have to reverse it, the inequality sign. This is important detail. When you divide by negative or multiply by negative inequality, you have to reverse it, the inequality signs. Now ready to do the graph. I temporary convert to equation. Yeah, I realize this is a horizontal line and the x is missing. Passing through negative 3 here. 1, 2, 3. This line. And what line? This line is dotted line. How do you know it's dotted? Because I don't see any equal sign. Now you shade. What part you shade? Below or above the line? Less than is below. Below the line. And angry. This is the answer.
You're picking on me today.
Yeah, the answer is the yellow part. The answer is the yellow part. When you shave that, you finish. Bianca Murillo, flip it because Bianca, flip it because you are dividing by negative 3. Okay, keep in mind this is a typical mistake I saw every day. When you manipulate inequality and you multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to reverse it. The inequality sign. So you multiply or divide by positive? No. Stay the same. Okay? Let's move into decimals to see now. Okay, now decimals. Decimals. Wow, what happened with the decimals? I need to open first. Okay. Carajo. Decimals. Desmos. Desmos. I pronunciation perfectly with the S. Desmos. You know, the Cuban guy omit the S. Desmos. Okay, now I try. There is minus 3y plus 1 greater than 10. Yeah, I am Cuban. Havana, Cuba. Greater than 10. Cuba is too complicated now. So says, look at the line, look at the line, look at the line, look at the region, look at the region. To do exactly the same, I want to use we have no yellow color. We have orange color. Oh, no, much better green. Okay, this is the answer. This is dotted line. Compare with the answer we are doing in the piece of paper. Okay, and you shade the region. So the solution is the green part, guys. Any question? Any question? Any question? Okay, good. Let's move on again to the whiteboard. Whiteboard. I want to complicate a little bit now your life because we are doing now a system. So not only one inequality, no. This is inequality in 2 dimensions, 2D. And now we have a system of inequality in 2D. So basically we have 2 inequality form a system of inequality, and you solve them both, and you connecting by and or by or, depending the specification of the problem. Suppose the question number 5 is 2x plus y less than 5, and remember it's intersection y minus 3x less than 1. Okay? We are doing exactly the same. We manipulate one by one inequality. You take the first one. You always solve for y. So y less than minus 2x plus 5. And we are doing the graph. Let's do it simultaneously, the graph. Okay, this is my graph. Let me try to do my best. By hand is hard. Well, it's hard. In the paper, no. In the physical paper, no. Because they use a rule. I have a rule, but I don't like this rule. Okay, the y-intercept is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This point is the point 0,5 because I seek a BFI. And 2 down and 1 to the right. This second point is the point 1,3, no? Okay, 1,3. And we're connecting this by the dotted line. And you shade below because less than below. I want to do in this way because this is not the final answer. No, this is the partial answer only of the first inequality, the first part. The second part is y minus 3x less than 1. Again, solve for y is 3x plus 1. We convert to equation. Again, 1 is the y-intercept. I plot that point, 0,1. And 3 is the slope, is 3 up. 1, 2, 3, and 1 to the right, here. I suppose you are familiar with this idea, no? I don't need to repeat again. The slope is wrong and right. So you wrong or you rise first. It doesn't matter, the order, okay. Again, here is a dotted line because no equal is dotted line, dotted line. Okay, and you can see it's less than is below the line. In this case, both is below. Now and is the intersection, and the intersection I can see using my eyes. Look at that and make a zoom. Is the part in which the line crosses. So I suppose it's this region. Look at that. It's an. I don't know what happened with this or, but when it's an, it's intersection and intersection. You need to know, yeah, and is equivalent to intersection. Intersection is equivalent to say common region. So the region above region, we have two regions overlap. Make sense? Make sense? Confusing? Clear? Confusing? Okay, let's do it in decimals. Let's do it in decimals now. To confirmation, the thing we are doing is okay. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I switch into decimals now. Okay. Okay. Now that question is the question 5. And the question 5, I create another folder. This is totally independent folder. How you create the folder? Click and plus, select folder, you put the name is whatever you want, question 5. Question 5. No, copy it. Question 5. Question 5. And inside the question 5, you type in the inequality. And the inequality is 2x, the first one. You copy exactly the same. No isolate y, no nothing. 2x plus y, 2x plus y, less than 5. Boom. Something like that. Below. And you type the second. You type the second. The second is y minus 3x less than 1. Entonces, I highly recommend less than 1. I highly recommend using the same color. Because when using the same color, in my opinion, it's up to you. It's easier to see the overlap. Because, wait a second, black color. Suppose black color. Okay? The solution for the first inequality is the gray color, no? And the solution for the second is the another gray color, but together is a no super black, but it's a dark. And it's the answer que look like similar to the thing we are doing in the whiteboard. Is clear or is confusing? Is clear or is confusing? It's clear. Super. Okay. Moving on to the number 6. Remember, when the class is over, I will send the video plus the link connected with this decimal that we are creating together. Okay. Erase the board. Okay. I suppose you see whiteboard, no? Okay. Let's do it number 6. Problem. 6. 6 is x greater than or equal to, or, important, change to or. Or remember is union. Union is this plus this, or this and this together without repetition. And 2 minus y less than or equal x. Okay. This is easy because you don't need to manipulate anything. Okay, but let's see the graphic part of this. The graphic part of this is, look, this is my rectangular coordinate system. And this is 2 here. 1, 2. It's obvious when you change to equation to understand much better the line que separates two semi-plane. It's a vertical line. It's a vertical line, but it's solid. It's solid line. It's solid line because it's equal. So it's solid line. Solid line. And the part that you shape is to the right. To the right. Okay. Now I take this. Here. 2 minus y less than or equal x. So forward. Minus y less than or equal x minus 2. Wow. Divided by negative 1. By negative 1. By negative 1. Y alone. Remember switching that. And this is minus x plus 2. You convert the equation now. The equation is minus x plus 2. And the y, let's say, is 2. 1, 2. It's low as negative 1. So I go down 1, down because it's negative, and 1 to the right. And you get this second point. And this is the solid also, solid line. You connecting this solid line. Solid. But you shape, look at that, this symbol switching, reverse it. You shape above the line. Okay, now the confusing part. Remember, the conjunction que participate in this game is or. Y or, I know, que es both. Union, plus, addition, no intersection, no common part, sino es both. So basically, is this part, it was the solution for the second, and this part, there are coincidences, I don't care, the solution for the first. Tell me, yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, Professor, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Professor, for example, on the test, we're going to have like and or, right? If we want to do the graphic
The majority of the graph is and.
And, okay, Professor, but if we want to put on Desmos, how we going to put?
Well, okay, let's do it. Why not? Good question. Let's do it. But the problem is we have two regions. So the interpretation is different. It's no when they overlap. No. Can you see in dark color? No, it's both dark color and the other color, okay, it's red color maybe, but it's light red. Okay? Let's do it. Let's do it in Desmos. Okay. Desmos now. Switching to Desmos. Okay. I suppose you see Desmos, right?
Right.
Okay. This is the question 6. I create a new folder. The name of this folder is question 6. Okay.
Can you show us how to email that to you again?
Say again, my email.
How do you email a graph?
I email Ingrid by the link. Okay. When you open this link, you open my Desmos, okay? Our, because we create together. Okay? Don't worry, this is easy. The technology part is easy. You understand very well. When you see link for the Desmos, you open. Wow, I see exactly the same we are doing in our lecture. Okay, entonces es x. Okay, let me try x greater than or equal to. Entonces en another line, I don't know si es or es and. I have no idea. I am lost. 2 minus y less than or equal x. Of course, I'm using the same color, green, both green. The color can make a decision. Green. But Manuela, the interpretation when it's or, the dark part is the and. But now my solution in this question 6 is everything is color green. It doesn't matter dark or light. Okay?
Okay, thank you. I understood.
Super. Oy, what the hell? Okay, do you understand that you can drag the equation into the folder? And how do you know it's connecting by this small gray line? And you can condense in contraction. Okay, let's move on to number 7 and number 6 and 7. No? See, wow, 6 and 7. We are in big trouble. Okay, professor, too much for me. It's not my fault. You take intermediate algebra. I promise que call it 7, 6 and 7, no?
No, 5 and 6 is the end.
We did 5 and 6. But on the other page, no, it's equation. Wow, it's equation. So we finished. Wow, we finished. When we finish, no. And the worksheet number 7, I don't remember if I am doing that part or no. We have solving the system using addition and substitution method and graph it to check the answer. We are doing this problem and finally we have a word problem number 8. In the test, in my test, I never put the word problem. However, in Alex, you see one word problem. Okay, I would like to show you how you face a word problem, no? In the system. Okay, entonces, we finish the system, or and, entonces we are doing number 6 and number 7. Do you see what page I am talking about? The last page?
Yes.
Oh, no? Okay.
Worksheet 7?
Worksheet 7. Question
6, 7, and 8. We never
exactly. Exactly. Okay, there you go. Okay, now I erase the board. Okay, day one, can you solving? This is no inequality, it's equation. Okay, you see equal sign, no less than or equal to, no. Entonces ese existe. 2x plus 4y equal 8. Okay, this is my first equation. And my second equation is weird. I don't know why you put it together here. Weird. X equal 3 minus 2y, equation 2. Okay. This is my system. Weird. What do you think? What do you think about what is the best way for solving this? Substitution or elimination?
I think it's substitution.
Exactly. What is the reason? The reason is that X is isolated. It's isolated, waiting for all substitution. It's obvious. This is typical. Murillo. This is typical. And plug it in here. And the another equation here. In the place of X. No X anymore. It's 2 parentheses. 3 minus 2y plus 4y equal 8. Okay. I try to do my best. Remove the parentheses. Apply distributive property. 6 minus 4y plus 4y equal, wow, something weird happened in this equation. I try to do my best, however, I cannot solve it. Why? Because y is disappear, it's cancelled out, and you get completely false statement. So what is the interpretation? 4 is not equal 8. 4 or 6? 6 is not equal 8. So what is the interpretation? When you try to solve the system. 6. Okay. Don't worry for the number. Say 6 or 4. This is not important. This is totally irrelevant. The relevant is the interpretation for the statement. This statement is false. This statement is a contradiction. This statement is a stupid statement. Therefore, what's the answer? The answer is no solution.
The solution is the circle and the line through it.
Exactly. And now day one, can you see graphically to interpretation this? Okay. Entonces I open Desmos. Because I want to do fast. No by hand. No, it's crazy. Let me try to do my best. Desmos, share, switching to Desmos. Okay. Entonces this question is the question 6, no? It's 6. No, it's a coincidence. Let me copy another name, no? Press enter, create the folder. What is the name you want? Can I put it? The name of this is question 6, word 6-7, no? Question 6 of worship. 7, no?
Professor, we cannot see the Desmos.
Sorry. Now, Noela, you see?
Yes, Professor.
Okay, I created a folder. Okay, the name was, I don't know. Let me complete the idea. Worship. Worship. And this problem, I copy my equation. That's it. How? 2x plus 4y equal 8. And this is my first line. Let me make it big. You click here in the house. Default, you have the original zoom, standard zoom. And the second equation is x equal, I copy exactly the same without transformation. Desmos, too smart, and understand very well the situation. Minus 2y. Bang! What do you think? What happened with the red one and the blue line? What happened? What is the?
It is not
the parallel.
The parallel, and the parallel never.
It's also no solution.
Exactly. So when you solve the system and algebraically you prove that there are no solutions, it's because graphically they are parallel lines. Because they are parallel lines. Okay, let me create another folder with the question 7, worksheet. Worksheet 7. Okay. Let me come back to the whiteboard. Okay, whiteboard now. Whiteboard now. Whiteboard now. Okay, I suppose you see whiteboard, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Let me try. Number 7. And the worksheet 7 is a coincidence. 2x plus 4y equal 8. Equation number 1. X plus 2y equal 4. Equation number 2. This is my system. I need to solve this system by hand, algebraically, and also do the confirmation graphically. Okay, what method you recommend me? Substitution or elimination?
substitution.
Okay. Because you
But
take
isn't
advantage.
elimination easier? Isn't elimination easier?
Yeah.
Since we have the 2y
opinion,
and we can eliminate it.
In my personal opinion, the best way is elimination. However, substitution is possible because you isolate this x. Okay, the coefficiency, remember, is 1 or negative 1. Either way, guys, either way. Okay, suppose you are doing by elimination. Okay, elimination, you multiply the second equation by negative 2. Entonces es negative 2x minus 4y equal minus 8. And this is my new equation 2. And I forgot this equation. When you add in by column, look at that, what happened. Cancel. 0 equals 0. So you get 0 equals 0. 0 equals 0. What is the interpretation of that? This statement is true or false? It's true, no? There are no contradictions. Something is good. Something is okay. So we have solution. The problem is that we have infinity many solutions. Infinity many solutions. Because these equations are depending. This equation is the same equation. I guarantee you 100%. So you write like that. You write like that. Infinity many solution means the solution is every order pair such that it's below any equation. You copy the first or you copy the second. I copy the second because I consider it as easy. But if you copy the second, the answer is correct. Like one student write like that, another student write like that. Because they are completely dependent equation. It's easy to understand as a dependent equation. If you multiply this entire equation by 2, you get the second equation. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. This is dependent equation. It's the same line. Dependent equation. Same line. Let's do it in decimal to verification this. Suppose I have no idea. Okay.
Professor, before we go to Desmos, can I ask you a question?
Go ahead. No.
Yes. On Alex, I saw that we have like inconsistent and consistent things like, but I didn't understand.
Okay. I explain now. Look, the word consistent indicates us that we have solution. means two possibilities, only one, or infinity many solutions. So this system is consistent. Another property assigned to the system of equation is dependent or independent. Dependent or independent. So that is the prefix inconsistent is no solution, right? The problem we are doing before is inconsistent because we have no solution. And dependent and independent. Independent. What means to be dependent? Dependent is when the same line. When the graph is the same. Independent is the graph is different. Suppose we have, okay, three possibilities. 1, 2, and 3 possibilities. One line is this, another line is this. This system is consistent because we have one solution at this point. And this system is also independent. Independent means that we have totally different lines. This line and this line is different. Suppose this system, fun, no solution, is inconsistent. And inconsistent is, in this case, independent also because it's totally different graph. This line and this line is different. Independent. And the third case is the same line. They are perfect coincidence. One line and another line is exactly the same. This is also consistent because we have solution. The problem is we have infinity many solutions. Any point on this line is solution, but this is dependent. Noela, it's clear now?
It is, Professor. I take a picture.
Take a picture. And remember, this is a recording, you know? And you can watch it in YouTube today if you want. Entonces, the thing that we are doing is the 7 in decimal, ¿no? Let's doing 7 in decimals, ¿no? Okay, 7 in decimals. Let me
Professor, I have a question. I saw this exercise on our homework. That means that we have this exercise in the test also, right, Professor?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah. Don't worry, my test is always easy. Alice is a little bit complicated, but my test is easy. It's classical, no surprise. You don't see no surprise. Okay, entonces basically is look at that. Let me type in the equation. The equation is boom 2x plus 4y equal 8. Okay, this is my first line. Okay, by the way, it's purple color. My second line is the line x plus 2y. It's black, no? It's black. Equal 4. Boom! They are perfect coincidence. Purple color, black color. Look at that. Let me put on enable black color. No black color anymore.
They overlap?
Overlap. That is the reason que es infinity many solutions. Because it's dependent equation. It's the same equation. The same. So we have solution. Of course we have. We have infinity. We are rich. Not only one. We have a lot of infinity. Of course, no infinity point because it's not all the point in the plane. It's all the point on the line. Okay, by the way, it's the same line. Crystal clear?
Professor, I have a question.
Go ahead.
That means that this one is because it's infinity many solutions. It is independent, right? Or is dependent?
It's dependent. Okay, the definition for the dependent or independent, Noela, is they are independent when you have different line, different graph. We have dependent without independent. Dependent when you have the same graph or the same line. Okay? Okay?
Okay, right.
Okay, so dependent is when they overlap.
Exactly. Exactly. End the story. Easy way to explain. Okay, guys, so let's spend the rest of the time doing the word problem number 8. Because in the ALE, you can see, in the test, no, in my test, no word problem. In ALES, yes. In ALES, we have one elementary word problem, similar to this. This is number 8 question say, a small theater with 200 seats sell 2 kinds of ticket for a performance. O sea, in total we have 200, seat. And this is totally sold out. Premium ticket sell $20 each. And standard, regular, 15. At sold out performance was collecting, so the money, total money collecting was $3,400 was collected in the ticket sale. How many tickets for each type were sold? Okay. Okay. Some people say, no, I solve it using arithmetic. Well, no, you can solve arithmetic. What is the difference between arithmetic and algebra? Algebra is magic because algebra you set out the equation, and when you apply the algebra, in this case elimination or substitution, you get the solution without try and error. No, the challenge is set out properly the equation. Entonces, I suppose that we have 2 kinds of tickets, X and Y. I want to call X is the...
Let me see the whiteboard.
Yeah. You don't see?
No, we see this.
No.
Okay, sorry.
So X is premium tickets and Y is standard.
I assign this. I create this symbolic way. X is the
$20.
Premium.
And Y is 15 standard.
Exactly. And this is standard. You can call it that way. Some people, instead, what is the reason you put XY? XY, anytime, XY. Some people prefer call P premium and standard X and set out the equation. If you want, let's do it after. But no, this is not important. Okay, so we have 2 equations, guys. One equation que physically or mathematically, is about just ticket.
Well, the question is, how many?
Let me finish. Let me finish. Only pay attention. We set out 2 equations. The first equation is just ticket, physical ticket, and the second equation is money. Money. Okay. So I know the total ticket que we have is 200, no? So X plus Y, que I don't know what is X and what is Y, but together is 200. In total, we have 200 tickets. And now the money equation is multiplication the unitary price for each ticket. For example, the premium, the price, the cost is $20, and it's $15, right? So if you multiply 20 times X, okay, X is the amount of ticket, the premium ticket, you get the money only for the premium. Make sense of this or no? Likewise, if you multiply 15 times Y, you get the money only collecting by the standard ticket. And the problem says that the total money is $3,400. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Do you understand how I set out the equation? Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
It's
so basically, I separate my mathematical problem in 2 pieces. One equation que represent ticket, physical ticket. Ticket is a piece of paper. Bueno, money is a piece of paper, but it's money. Paper, money, it's different money, no? Or credit card or something, no? Money. So I separate my problem in ticket and money, right? Entonces I know que the total ticket is 200 and the total money is 3,400. Okay? And the most important that the student don't understand if you multiply the unitary price times the amount of ticket you sell and premiums, you get the money only for the premium. So this expression represents the money only for the premium. And this money is the money for the standard, no? Okay, and together is the total. Finish? Done? Do you understand the question?
No.
So when you finish to do that, I don't. Now algebra. Start algebra. So I relax. Okay. What method I apply? Substitution or elimination? What do you think?
Substitution.
Absolutely. Because I take advantage the coefficient here and here is 1, right? Entonces I solve, for example, for x, and I take the first equation. It's 200 minus y. And you substitution this here in another equation. Okay, let's do it. So we have 20 parentheses 200 minus y plus 15y is equal 3400. And you multiply to remove the parentheses. This is 430, no? Minus 20y plus 15y equal 3400. Okay, we combine later. 20, negative 20. And positive 15 is negative 5. The rest is algebra, you know very well. Okay, now I move 4,000 to the right hand side, like that. Now subtraction. I suppose it's 600, no? Let me see, just in case in the calculator. You put in 4,000, subtraction, 3,400. 600. Pero negative, 600, right? Divided by negative 5, both sides. Y alone is 600 divided by 5 is 120. Entonces, what is the interpretation of 120? 120 represent, in my original problem, the ticket in the standard. The ticket in the standard. So it was sold 120 ticket in a standard. Okay. And what about the premium? Oh, the premium. Exactly. So X is equal 200 minus 120, que es 80, no? 80. Pero this 80 represent money or ticket? Ticket. Remember the definition at the beginning. X and Y represent ticket. Ticket premium and ticket. Okay. And that's it? No. I would like to check it out. Okay, my solution is good. Doing the balance of the money. And to do the balance of the money, this is confirmation. This is no, I finished the problem. The problem is was sold 80 ticket premium and 120 standard. And that's it. Verification. I multiply. I take the money equation, que es this equation. And substitution. 20 times 80 is X plus 15 times 120 should be equal 3,400. I try to verification that this statement is true or no. O sea, ese es 1,600, right? Plus 15 times 20. 15 times 20, sorry. 15 times 120. It's 18, no? 1,800. And 1,800 is equal to 3,400. Absolutely perfect. Okay? This is my final answer. My final answer is was or were sold X equal 80 premium ticket, and Y is equal 120 standard. End the story. Any question?
Professor, I don't have question on the mathematic part. My question is on the interpretation of the exercise.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, Professor. I didn't understand why the first equation is x plus like y equal 2000. But why, Professor?
Because we have two kinds of tickets. Standard and premiums. Y I know que total ticket was 200. But I assign one letter, X is the amount of ticket of this. And Y is the amount of ticket premium. So X plus Y equal to 100. This is the total ticket. Okay, in our case, we discover in the last part, actually, this is 120. Sorry, this is Y. This is X. And this was 80. Pero no necessary split. I split 200 in two pieces. Pero I don't know. No, it's no 100, 100. It's no 50, 50. It's according to the proportion because depending the price. Make sense? Make sense?
Yes, Professor.
This is super easy to understand. I suppose that the most complicated equation is the money equation. The money equation contains two parts. The part for the standard and the part for the premium. Oh, sorry, opposite. X is standard, no? Is premium, sorry. And Y is standard. But when you multiply the unitary cost, que es $20 and $15 multiplied by the amount of ticket, you get the money. This is the money, so 20x represent the money only for the premium. And 15 represent the money only for the standard. And together, plus is the total money is given. Total money and total ticket. And you smart, using linear system of equation, you split how many tickets premium, how many tickets standard. More clear? More clear?
Yes,
or confusing?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Well, let me see. Wow. Okay, entonces no more, guys. No more. Wait a second. I want to say something. We agree. Well, we have the test, no? In your hand, no? Everyone have the test or no? Are you saying or no?
No.
What test?
What test? Test number 2.
We have not gotten anything.
No, okay. I sent today. I sent right now. Let me try in my other computer. Wait a second. Sorry, I'm crazy. I sent another test to another class, I believe.
That's good that you recognize that you're crazy, Professor.
No, absolutely. I'm crazy all the time. Okay, I want to say now. Okay, Miami-Dade College. But this is fast. Don't worry, we have it. Okay. Not yet. Wait a second. Let me open. Okay, ready. Now I want to open one new email for you. Okay, this is the test. Test number 2. The subject is mat mat1033. mat1033. Okay. And when is due this test? The test is due 25th.
25th.
Exactly. February 25th.
At midnight.
And also, you have to submit the Alex test number 2 at the same day, at the same time, no?
Right, Professor.
Okay, okay. Don't forget. So now, let me try to attach the test to there you go. There you go. There you go. Okay. I copy your email address, copy and paste. Select all. Copy and paste. Ready to send. Boom, boom. Let me know if you receive or no. Entonces, Ingrid, what do you recommend me to do for the explain the...
Whenever you have time, Professor, I have all day. So when you're done with your classes,
I am a little bit tired now.
No, whenever.
No. Maybe one possibility is today. Today.
Wait, let me see if I have another class.
In the afternoon, today, in the afternoon, one specific day. Oh, tomorrow in the morning.
24.
Do you receive the test or no?
Yes, Professor, but I have a question.
You can leave.
Before I leave.
Wednesday morning, Professor.